we are playing the Star Spangled 7, the Progressives. And $100 in, hit the max bet. Ooh, full screen. Nothing happens. Okay. Bet $1 real quick. Don't do nothing. Okay. Everything max bet. Hopefully we can get some action going. So far, nothing. Bro, either one of those would have been so awesome. Okay, cut the pyramid. Nice. Now can we get a red screen? There you go. Now face on the line. How did I know that? Oh, damn. Why, bro? Come on. Right there, bro. Can we get another pyramid? Okay. Just keep on dropping those pyramids, I'll be really happy. Just need a couple more red screens. That don't feel like I got ripped off. Come on. Tough. Red. Huh? Come on. Bro, you would have dropped down there, man. I would have been super happy. There you go. Ooh, come on. Red, white, blue. 120 credits right there, guys. Beautiful. Woo! Finally for once. All right. Nice. Unexpected right there. Bet $1 real quick. And max bet these last 2 pushes. And final one. Do it. Alrighty, there you guys go. $100 in, $200 out. Thank you so much, Star Spangled 7.